So this is what I was flying. I'm putting the ending up first, I guess. It's got a Mamba 40 amp 20x20 with a Pyro F7 on top of it. Grinder V3 motors, you know, a nebula with the Vista and all that. Here's a Hero 8 I just did the video with. It's an unedited video. Just wanted to fly and see how things went. If you want to see more edited videos, click here. Going to the park today to fly a somewhat new build, make sure it works okay. Backing out of the driveway, gotta make sure we don't hit anything. Alright, that appears to be good. Glad I'm gonna make it to the park before 10 today, actually, before my neurologist appointment. Anyways, turn it back on when I get there. So this is just a local spot I come to. It's a park nearby. Probably showed 1,000 videos here. Like I said, a little before 10. This is the park right here. This is just part of it, a splash pad and whatnot. Turn you back on in a minute. Alright, everything's here. Transmitter, goggles, me. Let's plug this bitch in and see how it flies, right? A weird little sound, isn't it? Haven't flown 6S in a while, so let's see how this does, right?